From pre-shrunk fabric to final packaging, here is a quick look at our production process. First, the fabric is pre-shrunk to improve size stability and reduce deformation after washing. Then, the fabric is carefully inspected to make sure the material is clean, smooth, and free from defects. Next, the fabric is arranged and prepared for cutting, according to the production pattern. With precise cutting, each fabric piece is shaped accurately to meet the required size and design. After cutting, skilled workers sew the pieces together, ensuring smooth seams, strong stitching, and comfortable wearing performance. During production, key details such as elasticity, fit, stitching quality, and overall appearance are carefully checked. Finished products go through final quality inspection to ensure every piece meets our standard. Finally, the qualified products are folded, packed, and prepared for delivery to customers around the world.